Hola, Pedro! When Pedro saw that fresh mountain stream, he decided to go swimming. Pedro, wait a second. You're not going to go swimming in your serape, are you? I don't think your mother would approve. Sit down, I'll help you take it off. Whoa, look at you, Pedro. Nice muscle definition. Have you been working out? I thought so. Listen, Pedro, don't worry about your serape. I'm just going to put it right here for safekeeping, and you can jump in and swim. Pedro's a good swimmer. Oh my goodness, he's swimming on his back. Just floating, enjoying the day. After having a nice dip, Pedro decided to get out and sun himself. Whoops. Pedro, you don't want to have a broken arm when you get done with this. There. You can get yourself all settled in. You look very comfy, fella. While Pedro was